In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Jotform to Google Sheets. This is a handy way to organize and visualize your form data seamlessly in a spreadsheet format. Let's walk through this setup step by step to ensure you get it right. First, you'll need to log into your Jotform account. Once you're in, head over to the My Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of forms that you've created. Find the specific form you want to connect to Google Sheets and click on Edit Form. Look towards the top of the page. You'll find the Settings tab. Click on it. Within Settings, select Integrations. This is where you'll connect Jotform with a wide range of apps, but for now, we'll just focus on Google Sheets. Once you're in the Integration section, you'll see a search bar. Type in Google Sheets to quickly locate the integration. After finding it, click on Google Sheets and then hit the Authenticate button. This step is crucial as it establishes a connection between Jotform and your Google account. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account and grant permission to Jotform to access your Google Sheets. Don't worry, this is simply to allow Jotform to send data from your form submissions directly into your Google Sheets. Once you've ensured that the access permissions are correct, proceed by clicking Allow. Now that the account connection part is handled, it's time to configure how your data will appear in Google Sheets. You have two options here. You can either create a new spreadsheet where Jotform automatically generates a new Google Sheet for you, or you can choose to use an existing spreadsheet. This is particularly useful if you'd like to consolidate the new form data with data you've collected previously, or if you have specific templates or macros set up in an existing sheet. After making your choice, you'll move on to mapping the fields from your form to the columns in your spreadsheet. Usually Jotform does an excellent job of auto-mapping these fields for you, but if you want to customize or rearrange them, feel free to do so here. After you've completed the configuration, ensure everything is set as you want it and go ahead and save your settings. With this setup in place, any new submissions to your Jotform will automatically populate in your chosen Google Sheet, ensuring that your data is updated in real time and accessible from anywhere. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Jotform with Google Sheets, streamlining the process of managing and analyzing your form data. Thanks for watching and happy data organizing.